flake test. Guys, can you see? What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. If this is your first time here, if not, thank you for coming back. Anyways, today we're going to be making Nigerian sausages. That is like, that gala. Yeah, we're going to be making it at home. I just wanted to show you this first of all. This is, I don't know if it's showing. This is what is called bulk sausages, bulk sausage meat, and this is beef. So on Instagram and on TikTok, I have been seeing a lot of Nigerians use chicken sausage, that is the hot dog sausage, for sausage roll. It is not the same thing. This is beef, and as you can see, it's light pink. So when you actually cook with this, it gets to look like gala. Gala is beef sausage, it is not chicken. And the regular hot dog, I will put the picture somewhere on the screen. The regular hot dog is chicken. It's already processed, way processed than this one. This just has a few ingredients that is also written on the body. So when you take that hot dog sausage, you're literally taking chicken sausage and making a chicken sausage roll. I don't know how that trend started, but it's all over Instagram. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, here I have my bowl and sieve, and this is 4 cups of flour, and I'm just going to sieve this through. I've sieved it before, but I don't know, I just feel like people come for me when I don't do this. So I'm going to also be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder, also 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to sieve that through. This is why you should always sieve everything. So guys, now I'm going to be adding margarine, and this is just 250 grams of margarine to 4 cups of flour. So guys, you also want to use cold margarine for this. If you're using butter, whatever you're using, make sure it's cold. So guys, this is what you want to achieve. You want it to be sandy and grainy, just like this. So let me even say the truth and cast myself now. I literally used my hands. That glove did not work. Anyways, now I'm just adding water, and this is 4 tablespoons now that I've added, and I'm just going to go in with my hands. Nothing really beats your hands. The truth is that you want to be very patient when mixing this, just so that like you don't over add water, because the less water you add, the better, and the colder your water and butter is, the better. You can also use margarine, because that is what I use, or if you need a flakier dough, then use butter. Nothing gives you flakes than butter. Okay, this would be flaky, but not as it would be if this was butter I used here. Okay. Thinking about that, I should make butter sometime. I will, I guess. Anyways, this is too stiff, so I'm just going to add a couple more tablespoons of water, and in total I'm using 6 tablespoons of water for this. Don't worry, all the ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. You can screenshot it and save for whenever you need this recipe, or you can as well download this video. Don't forget to also give this video a big like, and also subscribe. Press the subscribe button, guys. Please help my channel grow and get to more people who need to learn this. So guys, I know my dough doesn't look the prettiest, but it will by the time we chill this. So I'm just going to put this here and cover it up, and then chill it in my fridge for till while we get the beef ready. Right. So guys, this is 500 grams of sausage meat, and to that I will be adding, what is wrong with this camera? And to that I'll be adding this cornmeal, yeah, blended cornmeal. And here I have hot pepper, 2 tablespoons of hot pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, half teaspoon of fish seasoning, white pepper, sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Do not forget that all the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so please check that out. And I'm also going to be adding 1 egg yolk to this, just as a binder, because I am not sure if the sausage meat comes with one. So I am going to massage all this together You can also use the sausage in it as it is, but I just like to be sure of what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing. Gosh, it already smells like gala. No jokes. So guys, I'm done mixing that. Always, my silicone mat is out, and this is our dough. So, oh gosh, you guys, I really love you guys so much. So we're just going to roll this out flat. Like I said, don't be worried about um the cracks and stuff. They would all smoothen out by the time we're done. Okay. Guys, I'm going to do a first fold, and I am going to keep this way now and roll it out some more. Okay. So now I'm going to fold from here because it's rough. That's tearing. Now I'm not just going to fold only once, I'm going to also fold it like a gift parcel. Okay, so now this is what we have. We want to form those layers. This side is rough, so this, don't even bother about that. So I just added some flour on my surface, and I'm going to roll this out on this floored surface. So the addition of flour will just smoothen out the dough and make it stop lifting. I can just hear people screaming that this takes time. Oh, it doesn't take as much time as it looks like it. Get a big rolling pin. Don't be like me. So guys, I splitted this in half, and I'm just going to keep on half while I work on one for now. Now you can roll this out as thick or as thinly as you want, but remember we added baking powder, so it's going to add volume when you're done. So you do not want to what's it called? You do not want to be caught in a situation where your dough is more than your meat, because that's the flaw Gala has, and we're fixing that in this recipe. So roll until you can't roll no more. So guys, here is the stretched out dough. This I rolled as thinly as I could, and I'm just going to cut off the edges just so that I can get a clean slate. And then I'm going to do here. So guys, I'm going to add the sausages now, and you want to leave a space here before while applying the sausage around. This literally smells like gala already. Oh my god. So I'm just trying to even out the meat as possible, so that there is no place that is thicker than the other, and they'll all get to bake evenly and equally. So now we're just going to roll by gently lifting the sides up and cover this out. Be careful, don't tear your dough like I just did. Okay. That looks pretty. And just gently roll this over. So when you do that, you can then tuck this in like I'm doing right now, just so that you get a more even out spread. Yeah. The egg wash as a sealant, and I just cracked one egg yolk and a few drops of water here. You don't want to overdo this, okay? So I'm going to continue rolling till I'm done with that. I overfilled a part and I feel it's so thick. Yeah. So guys, this is what the sausage roll is looking like. I'm going to try and see if I can seal this some more by rolling it this way. So guys, I'm done with this and I'm going to take my knife and I will just cut this, and I think I'll go into 4. And that's literally it. Guys, look at how thick this meat is now. Just see how thick this is. So onto the second half of the dough. I just want to explain the rolling process again. Always remember to roll out your dough as thinly as it can go, and after shaping the edges, make sure you wrap the meat after it bakes around the dough. I think this is a better angle, okay, because the meat will still shrink. So guys, my oven is currently preheating and I'm just going to brush this with some egg wash generously so that it bakes and have that golden brown, vibe on the top. I don't know if Gala normally carries that, but this we're making is called Gala Pro Max. Okay, and yeah, so you remember the cheese I made the other day? Well, you guys, I am so amazed at how many people reached out to the doctor to get their own milk, and I'm so thankful that that video was so helpful to a lot of people, even people that didn't need the milk for cheese per se, people that needed it for their business, their yogurt business. Like, I'm so thankful. I did not know you guys reacted to me that way, and if you've not watched that, you should definitely go watch it. Okay, I made cheese here in the same kitchen a week ago, and people loved that recipe. Guys, look at how beautiful this sausages looks. Okay, I don't know why I'm saying okay repeatedly, but guys, just look at how beautiful the sausages are. So we're going to leave this to sit. Another pro tip I'll be giving you: when you leave this to sit, this egg wash is going to, should I say, solidify and create this shiny coat already like this. And what that will do while baking is that it's going to give this beautiful crackle lines of the egg. Makes it look so pretty, and you're going to see, just hold on just a little bit more and we're going to see the final product. And guys, can you see my little testing? Anyways, I'm going to take this to the oven now to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let's go. Hi guys, so we're back and this is what the final product looks like. So these are the crackled lines I was talking about. I barely got it in all of them because I was baking this in my electric oven and the light went off, so I had to transfer that, and that made this ones not come out that way. But if you can see the egg wash crackle I was talking about, this is how you achieve it. So let us give this a lick test. Guys, can you see? Like, you can literally still see how juicy the meat is, and look at how flaky the pastry dough is breaking apart. Mm. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. So guys, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, let me know what next you would like to see me make, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, share this video with your friends and family so that it helps my video do better. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.